अच्छा in NCERT syllabus redox reactions are one particular topic is. I think in our state board that is a different type. In our state board stoichiometry में redox reaction, but NCERT में redox में एक separate chapter है. They may ask one or none. They may ask one or none question. Simply they are asking oxidation states of the elements. Example for disproportionation reactions and balancing chemical equation, acidic and basic mechanical. And the redox titration is also there. What are redox titrations? Permanganometry is there, dichrometry is there, hydrometry. 3 titrations. These are the syllabus. Of course, electrode potential, which we are going to discuss in electrode potential. We have no need to discuss electrode potential. Right? This is a simple, in brief, redox reaction. What are given in NCERT question? We can discuss one by one. What is meant by oxidation reaction? Addition of oxygen is nothing but oxygen. Addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen or addition of any more electron. Each definition is an example. Now this is an example for oxidation because oxygen is added here. Oxygen is added. देखो मैग्नीशियम का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट 0 है, कंबाइंड स्टेट में मैग्नीशियम का प्लस. मैग्नीशियम इज ऑक्सीडाइज्ड है. इंक्रीज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इज कॉल्ड ऑक्सीडेशन. अच्छा, एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज कॉल्ड ऑक्सीडेशन है. एट द सेम टाइम रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आल्सो नथिंग बट ऑक्सीडेशन. अच्छा, बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, बेस्ट एग्जांपल है बिकॉज़ व्हिच आर रिलेटेड टू द ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. बेस्ट एग्जांपल है इथाइल अल्कोहल है. Alcohol. I think you remember copper at about 300 degrees Celsius. Acetaldehyde है plus removal of hydrogen is also nothing but oxidation. Copper at about 300 degrees है. Primary alcohol gives acetaldehyde है. Secondary alcohol gives ketone है. So one of the best examples which are given in organic chemistry also. So removal of hydrogen also nothing but oxidation only. Copper at about 300 is oxidizing agent only because removal of hydrogen. अच्छा, एक एग्जांपल देखो, हाइड्रोजन इज एलिमिनेटेड. रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम सल्फर. रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आल्सो नथिंग बट ऑक्सीडेशन. आप एक बार चेक लीजिए, once you can check it. Here सल्फर का -2 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है, सल्फर का 0 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. 0 to -2 to 0 increase in oxidation number is called oxidation. Very simple one. Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, and addition of more electronegative element also, removal of more electropositive element also, increase in oxidation number also, loss of electron again, loss of electron is also nothing but oxidation. Loss of present definition, loss of electron is nothing but oxidation. देखो, अच्छा, one more example. Addition of oxygen or addition of more electronegative element also oxidation. देखो, अच्छा, 4 is a more En value. If more En value is added to the any metal है, then that is example for oxidation reaction. अच्छा, elementary state में 0 है, combined state में plus है. Addition of, suppose देखो, addition of more En values है, देखो, addition of more En values, nothing but oxidation. उसका reverse is reduction होगा. अच्छा, reaction in which an electropositive element is removed from compound. Removal of electropositive, not only hydrogen, any electropositive. देखो, अच्छा, एक K4 removal of one potassium, removal of any electropositive, nothing but oxidation. Oxidation clear फंडा क्या है? Ferrous to ferric होता है. Ferrous not into ferric, oxidation. These are definitions are given in NCERT textbook. What are oxidation? Why I am discussing all the things which, अच्छा, line to line they may ask the questions. Any definition, अच्छा, which are the following reactions represent oxidation there? अच्छा, without this also we can write because you know how to write, how to find out oxidation numbers. But NCERT में दिया ना, those examples are very important. अच्छा, reduction उसका reverse think करो. The addition of oxygen or addition of hydrogen. The removal of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. अच्छा, removal of electronegative, here removal of addition of more electropositive, nothing but reduction, reverse sign. देखो all example देखो reverse reactions, addition of hydrogen is nothing but hydrogenation, reduction. अच्छा oil converted into fat है, example for hydrogenation reactions are reducing agents, reduction. Hydrogen is acting like a reducing agent over here. Oxygen is removed from the compound. Like we know one concept you remember. Inactive metal oxides are unstable. Mercury oxide, silver oxide are unstable. Whereas more active metal oxides are more stable. Preparation of O2 logo discuss preparation. So all these are examples which are given elsewhere in testing. These are basic and no need to mug up this equation. अच्छा, removal of more electronegative element or addition of more electropositive element, nothing but reduction. देखो, reaction in which electronegative element is removed from an element. अच्छा, क्या remove किया है? Fluorine is removed ना क्या? One fluorine is removed ना हो रही है. Fluorine is removed. That's why this is a example for reduction reactions. Right. So here He is added. More electropositive element is added. Is also example for reduction reaction. Right. Achha, what is meant by oxidation? Increase in oxidation number is called oxidation. A loss of electron is called oxidation, which plays a very important role in electrochemistry. This portion plays a very important role in electrochemistry because in all redox reaction, galvanic cell, voltaic cell, Brownian cell, electrochemical cell, all electrochemical cell involve redox reactions. Oxidation takes place at anode, reduction takes place at cathode. This is a basic funda in electrochemistry. Loss of electron or increase in oxidation number is called oxidation. Loss of electron. Loss of electron is de-electronation. Addition of electron is called electronation. Electronation, de-electronation. अच्छा, de-electronation कैसा है? For example, मैंने एक काम कर रहा है de-electronation के लिए. मैंने जिंक dissolve at anode. अच्छा, electrons are means electrons are removed. This is called de-electronation बोलते हैं. De-electronation is also an example for oxidation. But whereas I can write a Cu plus 2 electron gives rise to Cu. अच्छा, ये electron add किया. Electron added है. Electronation is called reduction है. De-electronation is called oxidation reactions. Both are parallelly we can study. Example देखो. अच्छा, यहाँ से plus 2 to plus 3 increase हुआ. At the same time loss of electron है. अच्छा, 0 to plus 1 है, increase in oxidation number है, loss of electron है. Increase in oxidation number or loss of electron is called oxidation. अच्छा, reduction simple है. Decrease in oxidation number or electronation. देखो, addition of electron is called electronation. Removal of electron is called de-electronation. अच्छा, for your kind of information, oxidation always takes place at anode. Oxidation reactions always take place at anode. You remember reduction reactions always take place at cathode. This is a basic funda. Where oxidation reaction, where reduction reaction take place. Redox means in the reaction both oxidation and reduction will take place. Both oxidation and reduction take place in a chemical reaction, nothing but redox reaction. अच्छा, I said the simple example. I said simple example. अब बताओ क्या simple example है? अच्छा, NaCl gives rise to NaCl. Am I right? Elementary state में जीरो ना. Combined state में सोडियम का +1 है, क्लोरीन का -1. अच्छा, 0 to +1 is oxidation होता है. अच्छा, 0 to -1 reduction होता है. अच्छा, formation of ionic bond is formation of electrovalent bond is always an example for redox reaction. Both oxidation and reduction take place in nothing but redox reaction. अच्छा, redox में different types of redox reactions are given in NCERT. chemical combination है, chemical decomposition है, displacement reactions है, disproportionation reactions है, कम proportionation reactions है. Of course, कम proportionation not given in NCERT. Different kind of redox reactions are there. We are going to discuss all different types what are given in NCERT. Right? देखो example दे. Example में सोडियम और क्लोरीन. अच्छा, I said electrovalent bond है. Let's go for common like lattice energy. सोडियम और क्लोरीन है. Sodium chloride. Lattice energy nothing but electrovalent bond only we said. Combined state में -1 + 1. But elementary state में molecular state में 0. Any element oxidation number in its elementary state molecular state में 0 होता है. Example for redox reactions. अच्छा देखो ये क्या है? Zinc rod is dipped in copper nitrate solution. Copper nitrate solution. This is a reaction. अच्छा, I think one previously also we said that zinc is a more active metal. More active metal always undergoes oxidation. More active metal always undergoes oxidation. अच्छा क्या होगा? Zinc reduces Cu plus 2 to Cu, but vice versa not possible. Vice versa means Cu plus 2 cannot. अच्छा Cu cannot. Sorry. Cu cannot reduce Zn plus 2 to Zn. This is not a spontaneous reaction. This is not a spontaneous reaction. This is not feasible. This is not feasible because zinc is a more reactive metal. More reactive metal is always undergoes oxidation. For example, एक I think एक pot I can say इसमें जिंक सल्फेट है. अच्छा copper rod is dipped in here. Copper rod dipped in here. अच्छा दूसरा pot I will take. दूसरा pot. अच्छा इसमें मैंने कॉपर सल्फेट लिया. अच्छा इसमें जिंक रॉड. अच्छा which is feasible है. अच्छा कॉपर रॉड जिंक सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन लो. जिंक रॉड कॉपर सल्फेट which is possible. This is possible. Why? अच्छा Cu Zn plus 2 not possibility. Copper cannot reduce Zn plus 2 to Zn. Not possible because Zn is more reactive metal. You happily store this. Happily you have to store this. Zinc rod, copper rod ni zinc sulfate no happy to store chechu because reactions are not occurs. अच्छा ఇక్కడ చూడండి మనకి జింక్ రాడ్ కాపర్ సల్ఫేట్ లో కనుక స్టోర్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది అంటే జింక్ అనేది Cu+2 ని ఎలా మార్చుతుంది? Cu గా మార్చుతుంది. Reactions are spontaneous reactions are occurs. This is not possible. This is possible. This is possible because no reaction. No reaction means happily you can put zinc rod in copper rod in zinc sulfate solution. अच्छा you put zinc rod in copper sulfate solution, it becomes zinc sulfate solution. Copper sulfate नहीं होता. Solution becomes zinc sulfate होता है. Elaborate questions. Which of the following is feasible? Which of the following is not feasible? More reactive metal always undergoes oxidation. अच्छा electrochemical series electrochemistry లో ఇదేగా electrochemical series లో more active metal. You know galvanization అంటే ఏంటి? Zinc is coated on the surface of the iron. ఎందుకు? Coat చేయకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది? Iron undergoes corrosion. In order to prevent the corrosion, zinc is coated on the surface of the iron. There is nothing but galvanization. Sacrifice. Instead of iron, zinc sacrifice. Zinc is more active. Zinc undergoes oxidation. Iron is safer. Right? Acha, can you tell which element undergoes oxidation is? Oxidation always at anode. Active metal only oxidation. Zinc is oxidation. Copper is a reduction. Zinc undergoes oxidation and Cu+ undergoes reduction. Where a zinc rod is placed in zinc sulfate solution, no visible changes are observed. This indicates that zinc is reactive metal than copper. But this kind of questions are given in NCERT textbook. Basically, मैंने वो example दिया, which is feasible, which is not feasible. अच्छा, this is possible or not? You can tell. Because when compared to silver, copper is more reactive. अच्छा, when compared to mercury, silver is more reactive. In electrochemical series, you know the order, sequence of the order, more active metal, less reactive metal. Electrolysis, we discussed that. Reactivity metal का order रहेगा based on electrochemical, based on SRP values. Least SRP value is highest reducing agent. Highest SRP value is strongest oxidation. Sometimes questions are asking also. They will provide A, B, C, D का SRP values. Can you identify which of the following is strong oxidizing agent, strong reducing agent? Least SRP value. Remember, least SRP value is strongest reducing agent. Strongest reducing agent. Highest SRP value, strongest oxidizing agent. Acha, you see previously asked NEET ka question hai. Definitely these questions are repeated. They provide like options A, B, C, D. Each option mein they provide SRP value. Identify which of the following is strong reducing agent and which of the following is strong oxidizing agent. For your kind information, complete electrochemical series mein lithium is strong reducing agent hai. Fluorine is strongest oxidizing agent based on the values. No need to mug up the values. Given values mein which is the least, which is the highest, you have to identify. That's it. अच्छा, इन कंपैरिजन देखो, क्या कंपैरिजन आप देख एक बार देख लीजिए. कंपैरिजन देखिए, ऑक्सीडेशन का रिडक्शन का कंपैरिजन. एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन देयर, एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन देयर, रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. रिमूवल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव देयर, रिमूवल ऑफ एडिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव. एडिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव देयर, रिमूवल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव. रिमूवल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, एडिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. अच्छा, increase in charge, मतलब increase in oxidation number. अच्छा, instead of charge ना we can use because nowadays oxidation number के NCERT में clear दिया, electron cloud में charge count कर रहा है. अच्छा, earlier में instead of charge we can use increase in oxidation number है. Now NCERT textbook में instead of oxidation number they given charge है. अच्छा, most of the students are not ignoring this part on. You can see that today also we can go and open the NCERT textbook. They clearly mention it. Instead of oxidation number, they go for charge, electron cloud का charge. Which element में electron cloud charge ज़्यादा है, that is oxidation. Electron charge cloud less है, that is called reduction. But increase in oxidation number, decrease in oxidation number is oxidation. This is simply what is oxidation and reduction, right? This is what is oxidation and reduction. Now we are going to calculate. We are going to calculate oxidation number of some elements. Very familiar example which are asking in a NEET examination, ABMD exam. I'm not going for all, but basic funda very simple. Sum of the oxidation number. And now this is not time to discuss all the rules what are given in NCERT. Let's go for some example. Practice only required. Right. Any molecule, sum of the oxidation number is equal to very few rules. I am telling that. Sum of the oxidation number. Sum of the oxidation numbers in a compound or molecule is equal to 0. Neutral component and neutral. Sum of the oxidation number in a compound is equal to 0. In a radical is equal to is a charge. Radical means cation or anion. Compound is equal to 0 j. Equal to 0 j. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను Na2S4O6 కి సల్ఫర్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ నెంబర్ కనుక్కోవాలి. अच्छा सोडियम ऑक्सीजन इज कॉमन. अच्छा सोडियम की ఎప్పుడు +1 ఉంటుంది బికాజ్ 1 గ్రూప్. వేలెన్స్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ 1 ఉంది. अच्छा 2 into 1. अच्छा सल्फर we don't know, that's why 4x you have to calculate x. but oxygen की mostly -2 है except elementary state molecular state లో గాని peroxide లో గాని super oxide లో గాని డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటుంది. most of the cases -2. ఇక్కడ peroxide ఏం కాదు super oxide ఏం కాదు కాబట్టి నేను రాస్తాను 6 into -2 sum of the oxidation number in a molecule is equal in a compound is equal to 0 కి ఈక్వల్ చేస్తే మనకి అన్నోన్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ నెంబర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. లైక్ అంటే ఫ్రీక్వెంట్ గా అడిగే క్వశ్చన్స్ KMnO4 అని KMnO4 కానీ మ్యాంగనీస్ కనుక్కోవాలి. లైక్ పొటాషియం డైక్రోమేట్ లో క్రోమియం కనుక్కోవాలి, అదే పొటాషియం మ్యాంగనేట్ లో మ్యాంగనీస్ కనుక్కోవాలి. अच्छा सम इज इक्वल टू 0 की इक्वल చేయండి. get an oxidation state of unknown element. because potassium we know, oxygen we know. अच्छा how to calculate a chromium oxidation state manganese? very simple बटना. the sum of the oxidation number in a compound is equal to 0 होना चाहिए. but in radical कितना is equal to charge होना चाहिए. अच्छा मॉलिक्यूल में क्या होना चाहिए? 0 होना चाहिए. in a radical is equal to charge होना चाहिए. so देखो in radical है the sum of the oxidation number in a radical means acidic radical, basic radical. Acidic radical is nothing but anion, basic radical is nothing but cation, is equal to इस charge. अच्छा क्वेश्चन ऐसा पूछ सकता है आपसे FeCN6 4 minus. here what is the oxidation state of iron? अच्छा is ion है. अच्छा iron you don't know, that is x करो. but cyanide Cn minus है ligand है, unidentate ligand है, negative ligand unidentate ligand है. Cn चार्ज टोटल चार्ज -1 होना चाहिए. 6 into -1 is equal to -4. अच्छा x is equal to +2. अच्छा how to find out the oxidation state in a radical? you can equal to its charge on. sum is equal to charge on, but in a neutral molecule is equal to 0. This is a basic funda. You have to calculate oxidation state of each and every element. Now we are going to some exceptional cases only, not all the cases, because most of the time previously asked all exception cases only they're asked. Right? We are going to discuss exceptional cases. What are the oxidation numbers? What are exceptional cases? I'm going to discuss. First one, oxidation state of fluorine always -1. except molecular state. Fluorine की एक्सपोर्ट इसको -1 ने होते हैं. देखो this is a very simple one. now oxidation state of fluorine is always is equal to -1 except in F2 state. molecular state లో 0 తీసుకుంటాం. here which is equal to 0. remaining all cases fluorine -1 ने తీసుకుంటాం. అంటే ఇక ఫ్లోరిన్ కాంపౌండ్స్ వస్తే even suppose OF2 compound is given, O2F2 compound is given, here oxygen का +1 oxidation state होता है, +2 oxidation state होता है. oxygen की +1 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందంటే ఫ్లోరిన్ కాంపౌండ్ లోనే వస్తుంది. రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ కాంపౌండ్ లో oxygen की -1 వస్తుంది. మరి oxygen की -2 కాకుండా మిగతా ఆక్సిడేషన్ స్టేట్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తాయి అంటే సూపర్ ఆక్సైడ్ లో పెరాక్సైడ్ లో వస్తుంది. अच्छा whenever oxygen is peroxide, here oxygen का क्या है? x plus 2 into -1 is equal to 0. x is equal to +2 होना चाहिए. ये ऑक्सीजन का कितना है? 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. x is equal to +1 होता है. अच्छा ऑक्सीजन का +1 +2 is possible in fluorine compounds only. Remaining all cases में minus oxidation states है. देखो फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने सुपर ऑक्साइड में दिया, पेरोक्साइड्स में दिया. इन पेरोक्साइड्स हैं oxidation state of oxygen is equal to -half. For example, KO2, so potassium peroxide. Sorry. अच्छा बेस्ट एग्जांपल है पेरोक्साइड का H2O2 Na2O2. बेस्ट एग्जांपल. We know 2 into 1 plus 2x is equal to 0. 2x is equal to -2. X is equal to -1. Peroxide lo oxidation state of oxygen is -1. Superoxide lo, अच्छा superoxide lo like KO2 लिखा, मैंने KO2 लिखा. अच्छा 1 plus 2x is equal to 0. X is equal to कितना है? -1. Other than this compound है, oxygen always -2 oxidation. Of course, molecular state में 0. Any compound molecular state में 0. Right? अच्छा, any element in elementary state or molecular state में 0 होता है oxidation state. अच्छा, can you tell some examples of neutral molecule oxidation state 0? Some neutral molecule, because which are used in complex compounds. अच्छा, oxidation state of neutral molecule. Oxidation state of neutral molecules कितना होगा? 0 होगा. For example, हम entire molecule ammonia molecule के लिए 0 लिख सकता है. entire water molecule के लिए 0 लिख सकता है. like entire CO molecule के लिए 0 लिख सकता है. entire NO के लिए 0 लिख सकता है. then nitrosoil में 0 है. नाइट्रोसोनियम में +1. अच्छा, फॉर एग्जांपल pyridine लिखा मैंने, C5H5N लिखा, 0 लिखता है. CH3 लिखा, 0 लिखता है. मींस ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ द न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल के लिए. अच्छा, ये कॉम्प्लेक्स का है. सपोज इफ यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ द कॉम्प्लेक्स CONH3 टेकन 6 टाइम्स Cl, ये कॉम्प्लेक्स दिया. इस कॉम्प्लेक्स में व्हाट इज ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ कोबाल्ट? +3. बिकॉज़ देखो यहाँ क्या होना चाहिए, ये X है. न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल के लिए 0 देना चाहिए. न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल का 0 है, 16 to 0 है. अच्छा, each equal to -1 है, is equal to 0. X is equal to +3. X is equal to +3. right? ऐसा मींस कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड में थोड़ा मानो we are discussing in VBD theory also, like EN rules also we discuss how to find out oxidation, because primary valence is nothing but oxidation state of the metal ion. Secondary valence is nothing but the coordination number of the metal ion in complex compounds we discuss. So this is interlinked concept. This is not a new concept for you. अच्छा, मेरा को एक डाउट है, आप क्लैरिफाई करो. ये क्या डाउट है मेरा को? ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ सोडियम इन सोडियम मार्कर. ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ सोडियम इन सोडियम मार्कर कितना है? 0. बिकॉज़ एलाइंस आर नॉट कंबाइंड स्टेट है, नॉट केमिकली मिक्स्ड है, physically mixed है. बोथ आर homogeneous, physically mixed है, not chemically mixed है. So elementary state में oxidation 0 है. And there are exceptional cases previously asked that. In amalgams में oxidation state of sodium is also 0, mercury also 0. But don't consider this a combined state. This is only elementary state. Elementary state में oxidation state is equal to 0. Right? चलो. Next. अच्छा, मिनिमम ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट कैसा कैलकुलेट करता है, मैक्सिमम ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट कैसा? अच्छा, फॉर एग्जांपल आई गो फॉर मैक्सिमम ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ द एन एलिमेंट इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. फॉर एग्जांपल सल्फर के लिए मैक्सिमम कितना है? सल्फर के लिए, अच्छा सल्फर के लिए 2,8,6. मैक्सिमम 6 से ज्यादा नहीं होता है सल्फर का. अच्छा, सोडियम जिसको 2,8,1, मैक्सिमम 1 से नहीं होता है. क्लोरीन जिसको 2,8,7, मैक्सिमम 7 से नहीं होता है ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. सो मैक्सिमम ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ एलिमेंट इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. अच्छा, మినిమం ఆక్సిడేషన్ స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ ది మెటల్ అయితే 0 తీసుకుంటాను నేను. మెటల్ అయితే 0 తీసుకుంటాను. నాన్ మెటల్ అయితే, because metal have not a tendency to accept an electron. Metal have a tendency only to lose an electrons. Non metal only have a tendency to gain electrons. अच्छा, suppose I go for minimum oxidation state of the non metal को मैंने क्या करूंगा, non metal को. अच्छा, नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन -8 को रखूंगा. नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स -8 रखूंगा। अच्छा फॉर एग्जांपल सल्फर के लिए, मैंने सल्फर के लिए 6 - 8 है। सल्फर के लिए मैक्सिमम +6 हो सकता है, मिनिमम -2 होता है। कार्बन के लिए बताओ मैक्सिमम कितना है, मिनिमम कितना है? कार्बन के लिए 2,4 है, मैक्सिमम 4 है, मिनिमम -4 है। अच्छा देखो CO2 के लिए देखो, CH4 के देखो। अच्छा यहाँ देखो CO2 में +4 है, CH4 में -4 है। अच्छा previous last question I am telling you. Now I come to the previous last question. अच्छा I am not telling you about D and F block because separately you can study D block F block. Because D and F block variable oxidation states are there. Maximum is nothing but number of electron in ns orbital and n-1 d orbital, unpaired electrons. We discuss D block F block separately. Right here मैंने H2S लिया, SO2 लिया and SO3 लिया. Okay, first of all, you tell oxidation state of the sulfur in each and every compound. Here -2 +4 plus. अब बताओ सल्फर का मिनिमम कितना है? मिनिमम कितना है? ये मिनिमम आ रहा, राइट? मैक्सिमम कितना है? ये मैक्सिमम आ रहा. Now suppose listen, if SO3 react with any other compound, सल्फर का ऑक्सीडेशन से +6 से ज्यादा नहीं होता है, but it never undergoes oxidation. It never undergoes oxidation because it's a maximum. It always undergoes reduction. अच्छा, where reduction take place acting like a oxidation. That's why any element in maximum oxidation state में only oxidizing agent है. +6 से ज्यादा नहीं बनते हैं. +6 से maximum only. मतलब here this is a what we called as a only oxidizing agent है. Only oxidizing agent है. Only oxidizing agent है. देखो H2S देखो, H2S में सल्फर मिनिमम. अच्छा H2S react with any other compound है, -2 से नीचे नहीं आएंगे. Least is -2 ना, मतलब never undergoes reduction है. It always undergoes oxidation. Where undergoes oxidation acting like a reducing agent. This is only reducing agent. Only reducing agent. अब बताओ ये वाला +4 है. It may depends upon the equation. It may increase, it may decrease. Like SO2 is acting like a both oxidizing reducing agent. SO2 is acting like a both oxidizing as well as reducing agent. As well as reducing agent. Reducing agent. अच्छा आपका बेस्ट एग्जांपल है, मैं H2O2 बताऊंगा. ऑक्सीजन का ये क्या ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है? Previous last question I am telling you. -1 oxidation state. पेरोक्साइड. अच्छा ऑक्सीजन का मिनिमम कितना है, मैक्सिमम कितना है? मिनिमम कितना है, मैक्सिमम? -2 to 0. अच्छा नॉन मेटल है, ऑक्सीजन की एलिमेंटरी स्टेट 0 होना चाहिए. ఓకే 6 అనేది ఎక్కడ ఉండదు ఆక్సిజన్, ఎక్సెప్షనల్ కేసెస్. ఎనీ కాంపౌండ్ 6 ఉండదు. ఇక్కడ SO3 అనుకోండి, ఈచ్ ఆక్సిజన్ ఇస్ -2, 3 ఆక్సిజన్ ఇస్ +6. ఇక ఆక్సిజన్ లో వేకెంట్ ఆర్బిటల్ ఉంది కదా, సల్ఫర్ అంటే వేకెంట్ ఆర్బిటల్ ఉంటుంది కదా, క్లోరిన్ లో వేకెంట్ ఆర్బిటల్ ఉంటుంది కదా. ఆక్సిజన్ కి నైట్రోజన్ కి మీరు డోంట్ గో ఫర్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా అప్లికేషన్. సో మాక్సిమం 0 ఉండొచ్చు ఎలిమెంటరీ స్టేట్ లో, మినిమం -2. But -1 may increase, may decrease. So this is a question previous class for that. H2O2 acting like a both oxidizing as well as reducing agent. अच्छा మన ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీలో కొన్ని ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్ నేర్చుకున్నాం, గుర్తుందా మీకు? ఏంటి ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్? अच्छा KMnO4 కదా, పొటాషియం డైక్రోమేట్, K2Cr2O7 కదా, వెరీ ఫెమిలియర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కదా. లైక్ HNO3 వెరీ ఫెమిలియర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కదా. Now अब बताओ what is oxidation state of manganese here? अच्छा +7 से ज्यादा नहीं होता ना मैक्सिमम ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट मैंगनीज का, because 3D5 7 కన్నా मैक्सिमम ఉండడానికి లేదు ఆక్సిడేషన్ స్టేట్. ఎప్పుడైతే మ్యాక్సిమం ఉందో ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్ ఉంది. अच्छा क्रोमेट ना 6 ना 3d5 4s1 पहले शेल 6 मैक्सिमम अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स 6 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండడానికి లేదు. సో highest oxidation state లో that element is that compound is acting like the oxidizing agent only. अच्छा HNO तो जो नाइट्रोजन प्लस 5 है 5 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండడానికి ఛాన్స్ లేదు. these are all oxidizing agents, only oxidizing. We can check the previous class का नीट का APMT का क्वेश्चन है. This kind of questions are asked. Which of the following cases में which of the following only oxidizing agent है, only reducing agent है, both oxidizing and reducing. Identify that compound. Very simple. Identify that compound. You have to put that. Right now, I go for one more simple one after that. Star questions है. Oxidation में star questions है. आयनिक कंपाउंड के लिए वेरी सिंपल है. कोवैलेंट कंपाउंड के लिए एक फंडा आप याद करना. इन केस ऑफ कोवैलेंट कंपाउंड है, इन केस ऑफ कोवैलेंट कंपाउंड है, सिंगल बॉन्ड कंट्रीब्यूट्स. सपोज सिंगल बॉन्ड కావచ్చు, डबल बॉन्ड కావచ్చు, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड కావచ్చు, बिटवीन दी टू सिमिलर एटम्स कंट्रीब्यूशन between two similar atoms, between two similar atoms contribution 0, contribution 0. అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి, మీకు అంటే CC సింగిల్ బాండ్ ఉన్నా, లైక్ O డబుల్ బాండ్ ఉన్నా, SS సింగిల్ బాండ్ ఉన్నా, డబుల్ బాండ్ ఉన్నా, सिमिलर एलिमेंट्स मध्य कंट्रीब्यूशन n ट्रिपल बॉन्ड n उन्ना कंट्रीब्यूशन 0. अच्छा दिस कार्बन इज 0, दिस कार्बन मास सिंगल बॉन्ड ఉంటే कंट्रीब्यूशन 0. सिमिलर एटम डिसिमिलर అయితే in case of this similar atoms है, if dissimilar atoms are there, if dissimilar atoms are there, then single bond contributes -1 towards more n. अच्छा +1 towards less n. अच्छा डबल बॉन्ड అయితే प्लस, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड అయితే माइनस. एग्जांपल చూద్దాం. ఇవి these points are very important in exceptional cases. Exceptional cases में these points are very important. अच्छा सिंगल बॉन्ड है तो कंट्रीब्यूशन -1 टुवर्ड्स n है, +1 टुवर्ड्स प्लस n. अच्छा एक एग्जांपल आपके लिए, एक एग्जांपल है आपके लिए, एक एग्जांपल आपके लिए. अच्छा ये क्या है, ब्लीचिंग पाउडर है, ब्लीचिंग पाउडर है. अच्छा ब्लीचिंग पाउडर में व्हाट इज ऑक्सीडेटिव स्टेट ऑफ क्लोरीन. अच्छा देखो एक सिंगल बॉन्ड है, यहाँ सिंगल बॉन्ड है, कैल्शियम कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड है. सिंगल बॉन्ड में मोर एन कैरिंग -1 है, लेस एन वैल्यू कैरिंग प्लस. अच्छा कैल्शियम ऑक्सीजन में ऑक्सीजन -1 है, कैल्शियम +1. ऑक्सीजन क्लोरीन में ऑक्सीजन में -1 है, क्लोरीन में +1. ओवरऑल ऑक्सीजन इज -2, कैल्शियम +2, एक क्लोरीन -1, एक क्लोरीन +1. अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूशन में वेरी इजी था कैलकुलेशन, कंट्रीब्यूशन वेरी इजी था. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ क्लोरीन इज ब्लीचिंग पाउडर में -1 और +1, 0 नहीं, एवरेज 0 आता है. अच्छा सपोज एवरेज एक क्लोरीन का +1 है, दूसरा क्लोरीन का -1 है, डिवाइड बाय 2 वी कैन गेट एवरेज इज इक्वल टू 0. Average oxidation state of chlorine bleaching powder is 0, but specifically they are asking what are oxidation state of chlorine in bleaching powder is -1 +1. It contributions only. चलो एक और है, बेस्ट एग्जांपल है, वेरी बेस्ट एग्जांपल है, so many times asked है. अच्छा H2S2O8 पेरोक्सी डाइसल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है, मार्शल एसिड है. Peroxide sulfuric acid. Here, what is the oxidation state of sulfur? Yes. +6 है. अच्छा आपको याद होना चाहिए ये वाला, because fixed है ये वाला. This is structure. Anyhow, you studied oxy acid of sulfur के लिए. Sulfur के लिए. अच्छा नहीं first I go for this. I go for this. This sulfur का oxidation state. अब देखो सिंगल बॉन्ड का कंट्रीब्यूशन कितना है? सिंगल बॉन्ड का कंट्रीब्यूशन बताओ. -1 ना +1. डबल बॉन्ड कंट्रीब्यूशन है -2 +2. डबल बॉन्ड कंट्रीब्यूशन है -2 +2. सिंगल बॉन्ड कंट्रीब्यूशन है -1 +1. अच्छा ओवरऑल काउंट करो. That also +6. अच्छा మీరు గనుక మీ కామన్ మెథడ్ లో చేస్తే 2 + 2x - 16 = 0 చేస్తే x = +7 వస్తుంది, which is uncommon. సల్ఫర్ కి మాక్సిమం 6 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండదు. మాక్సిమం 6 సల్ఫర్ కి అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండదు మాక్సిమం. సో H2S2O8 లో మాక్సిమం సల్ఫర్ ఎంత? +6. ఎనీ సల్ఫర్ is 6. Average also 6. This sulfur also 6, that sulfur also 6. Average 6 होता है. Sir, very familiar example है, they're asking. H2S2O8 लो what are oxidation state है? Then one more है kerose acid अंटा H2SO5. Kerose acid अंटा. Kerose acid अंटा. This is also same peroxy bond है. Peroxy bond है. अच्छा देखो कैसा. ये थिंग आप याद करना, ఆక్సీ యాసిడ్ సల్ఫర్ లో ఎప్పుడు కూడా డైబేసిక్ అవుతుంది. 2 OH గ్రూప్స్ ఉంటాయి, అందుకని ఎక్కువ OH గ్రూప్స్ ఉండవు. इधर H2SO5. H2SO5. नाउ दिस सल्फर का आप कंट्रीब्यूट करो. दिस सल्फर का मेरे को ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट चाहिए కదా. -1 contributes, sorry, single bond contributes -1 for oxygen, plus -2 single bond में +1 -1 कितना हो गया? Again +6. These are very familiar examples, but knowingly unknowingly, fortunately unfortunately, most of the cases में exceptional cases में ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट +6 दिया. मोस्ट ऑफ द केस में +6 दिया. अच्छा देखो एक और है आपका याद है CrO5. CrO5 कैसा होता है? ये वाला ना CrO5 बटरफ्लाई स्ट्रक्चर होता है. अच्छा यार ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर का कैलकुलेट करो. ये सिंगल बॉन्ड है +1, सिंगल बॉन्ड है +1, सिंगल बॉन्ड है +1, सिंगल बॉन्ड है +1, ये डबल बॉन्ड है +1. फिर ऑक्सीजन को -2 करो. अच्छा क्रोमियम के लिए मैं क्या है 1 2 3 4 6. अच्छा देखो this is fortunate only. Most of the exceptional case में +6 दिया है सेट. CrO5 भी +6 oxidation state. Right. अच्छा one more question previously asked है. अच्छा देखो we are discussing only exceptional cases, right? Na2S4O6. Na2S4O6. अच्छा what are oxidation states of this sulfur? अच्छा average I think you might know very well. अच्छा average కనుక్కోవాలంటే మనకి సింపుల్ థింగ్. average కనుక్కోవాలంటే 2 + 4x - 12 is equal to 0. अच्छा मेरे को एवरेज आएंगे x is equal to 2.5 आएंगे एवरेज आएंगे. बट एवरेज में इंडिविजुअल का मतलब है मोर देन 2 सल्फर ना. सपोज whenever thiO series में 2 sulfur atoms are terminal. Remaining, how many sulfurs are there? Those are in between the one. Acha, what I am writing over here? I am writing over here. Sulfur, S double bond O, X double bond O. Yes, yes, S double bond O, X double bond O. Acha, we said na. Any oxyacid of sulfur dibasic. Compulsory rendu OH groups unnaayi. Acha, I am writing 2 OH groups over here. 2 OH groups, sir. 2 OH groups, sir. Okay. Instead of H, and I can write N. But I want sulfur only, na? Doesn't matter. अच्छा देखो यहाँ देखो मेरे को ये सल्फर का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट कितना है बताओ, ये सल्फर का कितना है, ये +2, ये +2, 0 between similar atom 0, here +1, total ఎంత, this sulfur also same ना, अच्छा मिडिल सल्फर ఉంది చెప్పండి, similar atoms మధ్య 0 0, యావరేజ్ కనుకుంటే 2.5 వస్తుందా, 5 + 0 + 0 + 5 డివైడ్ బై 4 2.5 వస్తుందా, కానీ ఇండివిడ్యువల్ అడిగితే 5 0 0 0. దీని ఫ్రాక్షనల్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ నెంబర్స్ అంటారు. ఎన్సీఆర్టీ ఇచ్చారు క్లియర్ గా ఫ్రాక్షనల్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ నెంబర్స్. వేట్ ఇచ్చారు ఫ్రాక్షనల్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ నెంబర్స్ C3O2 కి ఇచ్చారు, Br3O కి ఇచ్చారు. ఐ థింక్ 2018 और 19 में नीट का क्वेश्चन है Br3O8, Br3O8 का क्वेश्चन था. देखो क्या दिया उन्होंने, अच्छा C3O2 కార్బన్ సబ్ ఆక్సైడ్ అంటారు, C3O2 ని కార్బన్ సబ్ ఆక్సైడ్ కార్బన్ సబ్ ఆక్సైడ్ అంటారు, కార్బన్ సబ్ ఆక్సైడ్ అంటారు. अच्छा చూడండి ఇలా రాస్తాం మనం కార్బన్ సబ్ ఆక్సైడ్, ఎక్కడ చూసినా కార్బన్ కి టెట్రా వాలెన్సీ ఉండాలి, ఆక్సిజన్ డైవాలెన్స్ ఉండాలి, అలా అరేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి లీనియర్ కార్బన్ సబ్ ఆక్సైడ్. అచ్చా ఇప్పుడు నాకు కార్బనిక్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ నెంబర్ అచ్చా యావరేజ్ తీసుకుంటే నేను 3x - 4 = 0, x = 4/3 తీసుకుంటాను. యావరేజ్ తీసుకుంటే నాకు 4/3 వస్తుంది. బట్ ఇండివిడ్యువల్ గా అడుగుతారు, ఇండివిడ్యువల్ గా అడిగితే చూడండి ఎలా చేస్తాము. ఇండివిడ్యువల్ గా అడిగితే చూడండి, ఈ కార్బన్ కి +2 నా, ఈ కార్బన్ కి బిట్వీన్ 2 కార్బన్ 0 నా, ఈ కార్బన్ కి +2 నా, యావరేజ్ తీసుకుంటే 4/3 వస్తుంది. డబుల్ బాండ్ కానీ సింగిల్ బాండ్ కంట్రిబ్యూషన్ చూడండి, మోర్ ఎన్ కంట్రిబ్యూషన్ మైనస్, ప్లస్ ఎన్ కంట్రిబ్యూషన్ ప్లస్. డబుల్ బాండ్ అయితే +2, సింగిల్ బాండ్ అయితే +3, సింగిల్ బాండ్ అయితే +1, నెగటివ్ అయితే -1. This is very important, very important. And the previous last question, what I said, all previous last questions are I am discussing now. One more important question asked there, previously asked question है Br3O8 paradox fractional oxidation number methods अंतर में NCERT textbook లో ఒక tablet form లో ఇచ్చింటారు చూడండి, Br3O8 C3O2 Br3O8. अच्छा कैसा दिखना Br डबल बॉन्ड अच्छा देखो Br ये डबल बॉन्ड, यहाँ डबल बॉन्ड, यहाँ डबल बॉन्ड, 6 हो गया, 7 है वैलेंस Br की. अच्छा एनसीईआरटी में दिया एग्जाम्पल, वही एग्जाम्पल पूछ रहे हैं आपसे, अलग से नहीं आ रहा है. They are not asking differently. What are given NCERT textbook, they are asking the same. अच्छा आप देखो ये Br का कितना है, ये Br के बीच में 0 है, ये +6 है, +2 +2 +2 राइट, +6 है यहाँ. अच्छा ये Br नहीं है, +4 है या अच्छा एवरेज कर दो 16/3 ना. अच्छा देखो 3x - 16 = 0, x = 16/3. What are given NCERT textbook, that only I am telling. अच्छा one more important thing is अच्छा आपको मालूम है ब्राउन रिंग है, ये ब्राउन रिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स है, राइट? ब्राउन रिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स है, राइट? एम राइट? ब्राउन रिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स, ब्राउन रिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स लो व्हाट इज ऑक्सीडेटिव स्टेट ऑफ आयरन? +1 है। क्यों +1 है? सपोज यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट x, दिस इज x है, न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल की 0, ఇక్కడ నైట్రోసోనియం నాట్ నైట్రోసోయిల్, నైట్రోసోనియం +1, సల్ఫర్ की -2, ఈ sum is equal to x is equal to, so these are exceptional cases, these are exceptional cases, these are exceptional cases which are asked in previously NEET examination, right? Shall I go for next one? Right? Oxidation number, that types of this types of redox reaction, then I go for balancing chemical, right? देखो where oxidation reduction they are asking, give an example where oxidation takes place, where reduction takes place, only they are asking. अच्छा, where reduction takes place acting like oxidizing agent, where oxidation takes place acting like a reducing agent, right? देखो, an oxidizing agent gets reduced in this equation, where reduction is acting like oxidizing, where oxidation acting like a reducing agent. Now reducing agent, where oxidation takes place acting like a reducing agent. Example, we can discuss example, don't be panic about this, what are these statements? Types of redox reactions. Now chemical combination reactions. देखो, first example is all chemical combination reactions are redox reaction. Chemical combination ante C plus O2 gives rise to C. They are simple chemical combination combined equation. अच्छा, these are examples are देखो, हम proportion not there in our syllabus. Up to disproportion వరకే ఉంది NCERT. ఒకవేళ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అడుగుతారేమో 3 క్వశ్చన్స్, అందుకే చెప్తున్నా 3 క్వశ్చన్, నో నీడ్ టు డిస్కషన్ ఆల్ ది థింగ్స్, బట్ NCERT ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి, రైట్? अच्छा, chemical combination, all chemical reactions are chemical combination reactions are redox reaction. Example चुनो, C plus O2 और देखो Mg plus O2, Mg. अच्छा देखो, ये ऑक्सीडेशन क्या है, रिडक्शन क्या है? 0 to, अच्छा they are writing 0 to +2 is oxidation है, अच्छा 0 to -2 is reduction. Both oxidation reduction take place acting like a redox reaction. Here what is the oxidizing agent, what is the reducing agent? अच्छा, where oxidation, Mg plus M, which is responsible for oxidation? Oxygen है. अच्छा देखो, oxygen है can oxidize as plus 0 to +2, 0 to +2. This oxidizing agent, and where reduction take place? Simply where reduction take place acting like oxidizing agent है. Where oxidation take place acting like a reducing agent है. Because magnesium reduces oxygen into oxide है. Oxygen oxidizes magnesium into Mg+2 है. Very simple funda reverse है. Where reduction acting like oxidizing agent है, where oxidation acting reducing agent. Because this information plays a very important role in NST equation. NST equation మనకి NST equation ఫార్ములా రాయాలి. Oxidation form by reduced form అంటారు, reduced form by oxidation form అంటారు. ఎక్కడైతే ఆక్సిడేషన్ జరుగుతుందో దట్ ఈస్ రెడ్యూసింగ్ ఏజెంట్, ఎక్కడ రిడక్షన్ దట్ ఈస్ యాక్టింగ్ లైక్ ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్. right, where oxidation, where reduction. अच्छा, here conclusion है, all decomposition reaction need not to be a redox reaction, but some decomposition reactions are yes, potassium chloride गानी, sodium hydride गानी, some redox reactions are disproportionate, no doubt at all, but all decomposition reactions are need not to be a redox reaction. Best example को చెప్తాను నేను, NCERT ఇచ్చారు కూడా, calcium carbonate गानी, magnesium carbonate गानी. देखो, all these are example for redox. ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ +1 to 0 రిడక్షన్ జరిగింది, -1 to 0 ఆక్సిడేషన్ జరిగింది. బోత్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ రిడక్షన్ ఇస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ రిడాక్స్ రియాక్షన్స్. అచ్చా, ఏంటి దీనిలో ఎక్సెప్షనల్ కేసు అంటే, దీనిలో ఎక్సెప్షనల్ కేసు ఏంటంటే अच्छा మెగ్నీషియం కార్బోనేట్ తీసుకుంటే నేను మెగ్నీషియం ఆక్సైడ్ ప్లస్ Cu. अच्छा మెగ్నీషియం ఇక్కడ +2 నే ఇక్కడ కూడా +2 ఆక్సిజన్ ఇక్కడ -2 నే ఇక్కడ కూడా ఆక్సిజన్ -2 నే కార్బన్ ఇక్కడ +4 ఇక్కడ +4 neither of the element undergoes oxidation or reduction. There is no change. This is not a redox reaction because that is all decomposition reaction need not to be a redox reaction, but all chemical combination reactions are redox reactions. Exceptional cases they may ask questions. At a displacement reactions, all displacement reactions are redox reactions. Like example they go. Example देखो जिंक है is best example for galvanic cell na best example for redox reaction na this is best example for redox reaction. अच्छा where reducing agent with oxidizing agent is zinc only where oxidation takes place acting like a reducing agent. Aluminum can reduce chromic oxide into chromium. अच्छा this Fe2O3 దీని అంటాం థర్మేట్ మిక్చర్ అంటాం instead of Cr2O3 Fe2O3 థర్మేట్ మిక్చర్ అంటాం 3:1 ratio of iron oxide and aluminum powder is called welding purpose right welding purpose they are using thermate method. All these are example for redox reaction. अच्छा non metal displacement also example देख लीजिए no need to mug up this equation. All these are example for what? All these are example for displacement reactions. You know, active metal when react with Gill acids, hydrogen acid liberated. Now, reactivity of halogens. Fluorine is strongest oxidizing agent. Fluorine can oxidize fluorides into fluoride. Fluorides into chloride. अच्छा bromides into bromine. Similarly, chlorine can displace not fluorides into fluorine. Fluorine not strong oxidizing agent when compared to fluorine, but fluorine can bromide and iodize. But bromine can reduce only iodides. Iodine cannot reduce only. Because fluorine is strongest oxidizing agent. Can oxidize. देखो, fluorine can oxidize chlorides into chlorine, bromides into bromine because strong oxidizing agent. Fluorine oxidizes only bromides to bromine. Iodine cannot oxidize because iodine is the strongest reducing agent, not oxidizing agent. Right? This kind of which of the following is feasible, not feasible are those questions. Which of the following is feasible, not feasible? That are questions asked. In earlier question, Cl2 plus Kf each other code. It is impossible, not feasible. Because fluorine can never oxidize fluorides into fluorine. Since fluorine is a more oxidizing agent when compared to fluorine, this is actually not feasible. Okay, questions. Right? There is a layer test అంటామని liberation of bromine iodine. Bromine అయితే reddish brown color ఉంటుంది, 8 అయితే violet color. ఒక క్వాలిటేటివ్ అనాలిసిస్ మనకి ఇవ్వలేదు, ఇంకా డెప్త్ కి వెళ్ళి క్వశ్చన్ రాసుకుంటే అలా అడుగుతారు లేయర్ టెస్ట్ లో కలర్స్. अच्छा very important. Disproportionation reaction means same element undergoes both oxidation and reduction. Same element undergoes both oxidation and reduction. अच्छा fluorine never undergoes disproportionation reaction. But fluorine, bromine, iodine can undergo disproportionation reactions. Example देखो. Same element undergoes oxidation reduction. देखो ऑक्सीजन -1 है, -1 -2 है 0 है. ఒకసారి ఏమో ఆక్సిడేషన్ ఒకసారి ఏమో రిడక్షన్. अच्छा बेस्ट एग्जांपल है Canagirose reaction is example for disproportionation reaction. One molecule undergoes oxidation, same molecule undergoes reduction. In organic chemistry, Canagirose reaction is the best example for disproportionation reactions. Right. I think you remember cold HA to cold NaO is to hot HA. Cold NaO is to hot NaO. ClO. This is an example for this. But same reactions are given by bromine and iodine, but not fluorine. Fluorine never undergoes this proportionation reaction. But fluorine does not undergo this proportion reaction. Fluorine maximum 2 ne. Any element can exhibit disproportion. Minimum 3 oxidation states are required only. Fluorine ke liye 2 only maximum. Either 0 or minus. That's why fluorine never undergoes this proportionation reaction. Common proportion is not given. Reverse of this proportion reaction. एक oxidation 2 का split होता है disproportion. 2 oxidation state एक का merge होता है कम proportion. Reverse of this proportion which are not given elsewhere. देखो 2 oxidation state merges into 1 oxidation state. 2 oxidation state merges into 1 oxidation state. It's nothing but common proportion reaction. Common proportion. Reverse of disproportion. Disproportion reversal. One element undergoes both oxidation reduction. Here 2 elements merges into 1 oxidation state. Right?